Hello there. I'm going to try something that I saw on YouTube and I'm hoping it works. I have a 2016 Ford F150 and it does not have Apple CarPlay, but what it does have is the sync navigation, which is very expensive to renew. And I saw a video on YouTube about using this part right here, and I'm going to put a picture of the box on the screen, and I'm also going to put a link below. You can get it from Amazon. It was actually more expensive and took longer to get it from Amazon than it did to get it from my local Ford dealer. It was cheaper at the Ford dealer. It was right there. I drove 20 minutes there and back and picked it up. So we're gonna go in and try to install this and see if I can get Apple CarPlay on my truck. First, I'm gonna show you down inside this compartment is where the USB ports are. And I think it's gonna be on the first USB port that it's gonna have Apple CarPlay. The first thing they tell me that you need to do is check your sync version. So I'm going to turn the truck on. We're actually going to turn the truck off to do the I'll turn the air conditioning off. It's very hot though. We're going to turn the truck off to do the change because you are messing with electrical wires. So from what I understand, we go to settings, and then we'll go to, I think it's general, and about sync. And I'm currently on sync version 3, software version 3.0, build 19205. I know that there is a newer version, but supposedly this works with version 2 on up. So let's turn the truck off. Okay, we're gonna unbox it. Comes in a little pink bag. And as you can see, there's clips right here on the side. And then you got your wire connections back here. It's showing 3 ports, but there's only connections for 2 wires. So before we do that, I'm going to turn the truck back on. Okay, the truck is back on, and I'm connecting my phone. And under mobile apps, it shows that it's enabled. What I understand is you're supposed to go to the second, and it should show Apple CarPlay, which it does not. So we are going to turn the truck back off. Sorry about the noise. Unplug the USBs. And you could use a plastic adapter to remove the clips. I'm just going to use a little screwdriver. I am going to put a towel in here. and it popped out. Let's see if I can get the other side to come out. And of course, the way they show it on YouTube, it always comes out real easy. But it wasn't too difficult. All right. So, let me get you a close up here. See the two different wires coming in. Put them in the slack. Get them out of there. And there's a couple of clips. Okay, so let's take that part and put it over here so I don't get them crossed. Okay, that one is plugged in. And this one is plugged in, and I'm not going to put it back in place till we test it. So let's turn on the truck. Let's go to the second screen, and I do not see Apple CarPlay on there. Let's see if we plug in the phone first. That will change it. Apple CarPlay. So we had to hook up the phone. Agree. And now you see we have, and there it is. There is Apple CarPlay. Cancel out of that. Okay. I evidently don't have a good signal here. Okay. Branson City, Missouri. There's directions. Drive. Route can't be shown because of a problem connecting to the server. I figured it was something like that. Okay. Let's see if we can go someplace local. Let's see. Yep, there's Apple CarPlay preferences. There we go.
Starting route to Texas Roadhouse. Head northeast on South Rockley Drive, then turn right onto Nesada Lane.
There it is. And we have Apple CarPlay. All right, so that works. Good to go, so we're gonna button it up. So what I'm gonna do is unplug the phone. And then get the wires back in there. let's turn the truck off. Yeah, I got no electricity coming out there. Push that in place, snaps in, all good. We're done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell so you get notified next time we have videos coming out. Leave your comments below and be sure to smash that like button. Thank you. Have a great day.